So next one, 33 problem. If m is the arithmetic mean of two distinct real numbers L and N. M is the arithmetic mean of two distinct real numbers L and N. And G1, G2, G3 are three geometric means between L and N. Then G1 to the power of 4 plus 2 into G to the power of 4 plus G3 to the power of 4 is equal to what is the value in terms of L and N. So M is the arithmetic mean between two distinct objects L and N. Okay, two distinct real number L and N. So M is arithmetic means lies between L and N. So M is equal to L plus N by 2, or 2M is equal to L plus N. 2M is equal to L plus N, or M is equal to L plus N by 2. And G1, G2, G3 are geometric means lies between L and N. L and N. L and N only. Yes, L and N. Three geometric means G1, G2, G3 or N or in G. So three geometric means lies between L and N. So total how many terms are there here? Total 5 terms. So these 5 terms are in G. So this is a GP series means common ratio is equal. Means second term by first term. That is equal to third term by second term. That is equal to fourth term by third term. So common ratio is equal in GP series. So R is equal to T2 by T1. T2 G1 by N. Next one, T3 by T2 G2 by G1. Next, G3 by G2. Next, that is equal to N by G3. N by G3. So here common ratio R is equal to G1 by L, that is equal to G2 by G1, that is equal to G3 by G2, that is equal to N by G3. Okay, so here now from this one, so what is asking? G1 to the power of 4 plus 2 into G to the power of 4 plus G3 to the power of 4. Asking like that, G1 square, G1 to the power of 4 plus 2 into G to the power of 4 plus G3 to the power of 4. Means we want G1, G2, G3. Okay, G1, G2 and G3. So from this one, so G1 into G1. So here we get G1 square. G1 square is equal to L into G2. G1 square is equal to L into G2. Next one, G2 into G2. G2 square. So G2 square is equal to G1 into G3. G2 square is equal to G1 into G3. G3 into G3. G3 square. G3 square is equal to N into G2. G3 square is equal to N into G2. Okay. G1 G3. G1 G3. G1 into G3. First one and last one. G1 into G3, that is equal to Ln. G1 into G3, that is equal to Ln. G3 square, that is equal to N into G2. G1 square, that is equal to L into G2. G2 square is equal to G1 G3. G2 square is equal to G1 G3. G1 G3 is equal to Ln. So from this one, G2 square, that is equal to L into N. G2 square is equal to Ln. G1 square is equal to L into G2. G3 square is equal to N into G2. Okay. Now G1, G2, G3 values are substitute given. So what is asking? G1 to the power of 4 plus 2 into G2 to the power of 4 plus G3 to the power of 4. What is this one? This is equal to in terms of L, M, N like that. Okay. So here G1 square L into G2. This is G1 square, but here G1 to the power of 4 is there, so that's why 4 square. Plus 2 into G2 square, here G2 square. G2 square is equal to ln. So ln to the power of 4 is there. This is G2 square only. So again we get square plus G3 to the power of 4. G3 n into G2. N into G2 again to the power of 2. So here L square G2 square plus 2L square N square plus N square G2 square. Okay, what is G2 square? Ln. So now in place of G2 square taken as Ln. So here L square Ln. So 2L square N square plus N square L. So here L cube N plus 2L square N square plus N cube L. Okay. Now which one is common from both? Ln common. So by taking common Ln, L square plus 2Ln plus N square. By taking common Ln, L. So here L square, here Ln plus N square. Now this is A plus B whole square. So Ln into L plus N whole square. L plus N whole square. So L plus N, what is okay? So from we get first one, M is arithmetic mean lies between L and N. So 2M is equal to L plus N. M is arithmetic means between L and N. So that's why 2M is equal to L plus N. So in place of L plus N taken as 2M. So Ln into 2M whole square. So it becomes 4M square L. 4M square Ln. This is final answer. 4M square Ln.